Well, I thought I'd take you for a very quick tour of a local car show. It will be a quick tour because it's very small, but it's literally 10 minutes from where I live. This is on Mount Crosby, and to be honest, a much more exotic vehicle show, Kenmore, 10 minutes the other side of where I live. But anyway, funny it started at midday. Unusual time for a car show. Normally they start in the morning. Anyway, I've been to many, probably hundreds of car shows in my life, but I'll take you for a very quick look around anyway. Okay, there's an HR Holden, I believe. I had a, what I have, Belmont or something, Ute for a while. Here's a nice Chevy truck. Very similar looking to the 56 Ford F100 I had. Nice looking truck. Ford Falcon. And of course there's a Corvette over there, of which I've seen many hundreds, thousands when I was into Corvettes. Nice little stock motor there, isn't it?
It is.
As it came out the factory. Yeah. So this is nicely presented. Look at that. Lovely. Chevy Bel Air. Yeah, another Falcon 351. Yes, I didn't make it to the I didn't know it was on the little display at Kenmore recently. Some exotic vehicles. But the lady of the house was there and took some nice photos. And the C4 Corvette convertible. I had a white one, as some of you may know. Land Cruiser, different to mine. Yes, another stock Toyota motor. Not really. Nice. Yeah, different sort of car show. But a car show nevertheless. As an old girlfriend's mum told me once, when playing poker, a fast game's a good game. Especially in the heat. Yeah. It's like a GTO Chef Falcon, but I don't think it is. Do love the dashboard. It's an XW. How you going? Of course, if I still had my 350Z, could have bought it here. And again, if I had my Corvettes and other things, could have bought it here as well. It's a nice XU1 Tirana over there, if it's an XU1. I've owned many interesting vehicles in my time, so I'm not really a car person anymore. But since this was so close to home, Figured may as well pop in. So with that poker philosophy in mind, fast game's a good game. I don't even have time to stop to the toilet. What's the need? Go back home 10 minutes and I may jump in the pool. It's warming up. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that anyway. Cheers. Well, I thought I'd show you fast. No. Well, I thought I'd take you for a very quick tour of a local car show.